We don't have state police in front of us. When they pit in, remember guys, you will call out, do a takedown on the vehicle, do not rush him, unless you have to. He does have a firearm.
TBI 116. Westbound is shut down. LRPD is doing felony takedown. Crossfire, guys! Crossfire! It's in park. In park. 87 Little Rock. We're 1015. You put the net. We'll have the left lane shut down. We're fixing to reopen the middle and right.